wiggio.com to manage our groups and subgroups. Our main group for our usage is RVC Pack, and that's the main members. And then we've got RVC Pack Communication, RVC Pack Fundraising, and RVC Pack Volunteers. Each one of these also, if I go back to RVC Pack here, has a folder, and in the folder you'll notice when I click on each one of these there's different folders for each group. I'll start out with the RVC Pack group, and to show you how to upload documents here, on the right side you'll notice an add section where I can add a file, upload a file, or add a link. And so I'll go ahead and do both. If I upload a file here, click the Add Files button, I can browse out to a document that I want to upload. Say it's a PDF file, or it might be an Excel file. As soon as I upload that, or as soon as I click the Add File, it puts it in here, and I can put a comment on that one file. Or I can, if I have a whole bunch of files I'm uploading, like say 5 of them at a time, I can type a message here that would be sent to somebody emailing in an email. But the default I've set in all these groups is to not email, no email preference, meaning when somebody adds a file or edits a file, it does not email all users, because we're using Facebook, our Facebook group, to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here in the comment of the file here, I'm just going to put $, image, hit save, and then down here at the bottom all I need to do is hit upload. Now if I did want to send this, force this document to be sent to everybody in the group, I would check this, but I would suggest not doing that unless it again is something that deems that from occurring, because we're going to be using Facebook to do any communication. So I'll show you how to link this to Facebook in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it send based on mail preference, which was the default when I came in. I uploaded the file here, or added the file, added a comment. Now I'm ready to click the upload button. As soon as I click the upload button, it puts it in the very top of my RVC Pack folder, and it says added by Chuck Conkle to RVC Pack on Monday 25th of February at 4:04 p.m. And there's my comment, $image. I can take and click on link, which I'll do in just a second, to link it to Facebook, or if I want to just click view to view that document, I can click view and it'll convert it so I can view that document as a PDF file. I'll go ahead and click on another one in here, like this family and friends letter that Steve uploaded yesterday. I'll click the view, and it's going to convert this into a wiggio document viewer to view this document. Well, there's the image file I just selected. Let's select this one now. So there's a friends and family document. And you'll notice that when I opened it up, it created a new tab in Chrome browser. I'm just going to click X to exit out of that. Let's go into an Excel spreadsheet though, an example, like maybe in here in the volunteers area. In the Excel spreadsheet, I can click on the edit link, and the edit link will allow me to actually open up this Excel spreadsheet and begin to add in data. Once I'm finished adding in data, you need to make sure, I'll go ahead and put test in here, that you hit the save button before you exit. Once it successfully is saved, this save button will be grayed out and will not be enabled. But you notice if I add any more text down here at the bottom, it's now enabled to save. It also gives a warning here to click on the save icon in the toolbar to save your file before closing the window. So just make sure you do that. If I hit close on that and then come back just to make sure it was there, and that it did update it. There is my change. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that row though. And it does have most of the features that Excel has available as far as editing goes. Okay. Now if I'm ready to link this to Facebook, I can just click on the link file and it'll give me a link here that I'll copy and paste, put into the Facebook group or in an email to someone, and it will direct them immediately to this file and to this document. So that concludes how to upload files, how to view files, edit files, link files. The last two is download and editing. If I wanted to download this file to my computer, I click on this link. If I wanted to delete this file, I will click on this link. It will warn me though about deleting, to just make sure I do want to delete it just in case you click on this on accident. So that's how to upload a file. If I want to add a link, I just click on this. I can put in my link to my site that I'm wanting to reference. I can give an optional name and description if I want to, and click add. It's now added that link at the top of my RBC folder. Go ahead and delete that. Notice it gives me a warning on deletion. I'm also going to delete this yard sign one I just put up and delete that. And then these last two over here allow you to create in that folder you're in currently a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet. And that concludes file management in RBC Pack using wiggio.com. And if you have any questions, you can definitely email me at cconkle@gmail.com. Be more glad to help you.